In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize reports in QuickBooks Online. Customizing reports allows you to tailor the information to suit your specific needs, making it easier to extract insightful data for your business. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily adjust your reports for maximum benefit. To begin, navigate to the Reports section by clicking on the Reports tab located on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your gateway to accessing all kinds of reports that QuickBooks offers. Now, within this tab, you'll find a variety of standard reports. Locate the report you wish to modify. Let's say you're interested in viewing a detailed balance sheet. Click on the desired report to open it. Once you've selected and opened your report, it's time to run it so you can start customizing. Clicking the report will prompt QuickBooks to generate its contents. With the report now displayed on your screen, you'll notice an array of customization tools situated above the report itself. These tools are the key to tailoring your report precisely to your liking. On the top left-hand corner of these options, you'll discover the ability to adjust the report period. This option allows you to specify the time frame for which you wish to view data. Whether you're looking to analyze a specific month, quarter, year, or any custom date range, this feature provides the flexibility you need. Adjusting the time period can give you a more focused insight into your business's financial status during specific time frames. Moving over to the top right-hand side, you'll find options to customize the actual contents of the report. Depending on the report you've chosen, these customization possibilities can vary. For example, if you're working with a balance sheet report, you can expand your analysis by opting to show comparisons. This feature enables comparisons with previous periods, such as past months or years, offering a historical perspective. You can also filter data by specific categories, helping you narrow down precisely what you need to see. Additionally, you have the option to add or separate data into columns by certain categories, offering a clearer organization tailored to your business needs. After exploring and setting your parameters, customizing reports becomes an interactive process, allowing you to extract the most pertinent information tailored to your requirements. Once you're satisfied with how your report looks and the data it displays, don't forget to save your customizations. Simply click the Save button located at the top right corner of the page. This will preserve your customized settings, making it a breeze for future reference. And there you have it. Customizing reports in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward way to ensure your financial data is as relevant and insightful as possible. By following these steps, you're now better equipped to make informed business decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!